Welcome to Round Rock Homes for Sale this week with Robert Butler. Hi, this is Robert Butler with Keller Williams, and I am here with Rebecca Vita, also from Keller Williams Realty in Round Rock. Tell us about this wonderful house.
Yeah, this is a fantastic house in the Siena neighborhood. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. It was built in 2021, very lightly lived in, pristine condition. The sellers have made some cute modern updates, wallpaper, accent walls, hardware, curtains. The property also has a half-car garage bump out for extra storage, water softener. So it's a great find. Oh, there is a bonus room as well, so you can use that as a craft room, office space, kids game room, whatever.
Nice. This is definitely a very open floor plan for people that like that.
It is.
And I love the fact that it has a gourmet stove. And just the other thing, my favorite about Siena is that it has such a great amenity center and playground.
Yes.
And just soccer and all kinds of stuff you can play out there.
Yeah, miles of trails. The pools are so nice. And then the location too. We're so close to Kalahari, Del Diamond, Old Settlers. I mean, you are in the heart of Round Rock here. The tax rate is great, and we have some great lender incentives as well.
Well, thank you so much for being on the tour.
Thank you, Robert.
Thank you for watching Round Rock Homes for Sale this week. Are you thinking about buying or selling a home? Call Robert Butler at 512-758-9134 or visit discoverctx.com. For more weekly updates on Round Rock Homes for Sale, click subscribe